Are you a fat snackaholic like me that just wakes up out of bed and goes and opens the fridge to just eat and graze just for the dopamine hit and feel satiated all the time? Well, this video might be for you. I'm going to tell you why you should stop grazing, stop snacking, and just incorporate intermittent fasting in part of your regimen. Intermittent fasting has provided extreme benefits for a variety of reasons, but specifically brain-related disorders. It helps increase neurogenesis, the ability to create new neurons. It helps with neuroplasticity, ability to stretch and create synapses in your brain. It helps with Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, emotional difficulties. Frees up your personal and social time because you don't have to worry about your food. You can just go without and just drink water. Allowing your body to just detox and just drink water, tap into your fat stores, use your ketones is extremely beneficial in a cellular perspective, but also an emotional perspective, in your gut microbiome perspective. And it's really easy to just allow yourself to just drink and realize that you don't need food. You can get all these anti-cancer properties, DNA repair proteins, insulin sensitivity, which is really important. Your DNA is crucial for your longevity in life. So strengthening your DNA is crucial. It's easy to schedule your IF if you do it properly. You just have to find a plan that works for you. Changing your gut microbiome can help increase your serotonin and your dopamine, which helps with your well-being. We want to find these little small habits in place that can increase our health. So just go without, just drink your water, go without with some food for X amount of time. It's up to you. You decide. Just drink some water, relax, tap into your ketones. See ya.